Okay, here is a Heil Performance central air conditioning unit running. This unit is 410 from 2006, pretty sure. This unit has a couple stroll compressor. And yeah, it is currently running right now. This unit has a US Motors fan motor, which is a replacement motor. But yeah, this unit is currently running right now. It is about in the low 60s outside right now. It's another unseasonably warm day here in eastern Iowa. But yeah, this unit is located at a commercial complex in my town with a bunch of Heils that I filmed at lots of times before. This one's the only one that's running out of this little bunch here. Suction line is ice cold. Liquid line is about outdoor temperature, which is in the low 60s. But yeah, compressor's pretty quiet. And here are these other two Heils. These ones are off right now. Not sure if these two have been on, but yeah, this one's running. But yeah, I really love these. Ooh. Just turned off. It startled me. But yeah, I really like these older Heils. Yeah, just shut off. Yeah, it's got a couple stroll compressor. It's my first, so far this is my first time seeing this unit run for the season. But yeah. But yeah, just like a quick video of this unit running. Anyways, thanks for watching.